Ever wondered why garlic is a staple in so many cuisines worldwide, or why your grandmother always insisted on a clove of garlic a day? It's more than just a flavor enhancer. Garlic, particularly when consumed as garlic water, packs an impressive array of health benefits. From boosting immunity to enhancing heart health, you'll be surprised by what this humble bulb can do. So, are you ready to discover the secret health benefits hidden within this pungent powerhouse? Stick around to unravel the amazing benefits of garlic water that you probably didn't know about. Firstly, let's dive into how garlic water can help boost your immune system. It's no secret that garlic is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. When you drink garlic water, these powerful compounds can help your body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Think of it as your body's own natural defense shield, constantly working to keep you healthy and strong. Moving on to our second benefit, we have to talk about the heart. Garlic water can play a significant role in improving cardiovascular health. This might seem surprising, but it's backed by science. Garlic contains a compound known as allicin, which has been found to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. So, by sipping on garlic water, you're not just hydrating your body, you're also promoting heart health. Lastly, for our third benefit, let's talk digestion. Ever felt bloated or had an upset stomach? Garlic water could be your new best friend. The antibacterial properties of garlic can help cleanse your digestive system, flushing out toxins and promoting a healthy gut. Plus, it can aid in breaking down food more effectively, which can lead to better nutrient absorption. As you can see, drinking garlic water daily can be a simple yet effective way to boost your immune system, improve your cardiovascular health, and aid in digestion. It's like a 3-in-1 health elixir right in your glass. But remember, that's not all. Garlic water has even more to offer. Can you believe garlic water can actually help your skin glow? You heard it right. Regular consumption of garlic water has been linked with promoting healthier skin. Garlic is a powerhouse of antioxidants that work to neutralize harmful free radicals, those pesky culprits that accelerate the aging process. When you drink garlic water, these antioxidants get to work, helping to reduce inflammation and promote cell repair. The result? A natural, youthful glow that no expensive cream or treatment can match. But the benefits of garlic water don't stop at your skin. It's also a natural ally in the battle of the bulge. Garlic is known to boost metabolism, which in turn helps in burning calories. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, drinking garlic water can aid in weight loss. Think of it like a little extra help on your journey to a healthier you. And let's not forget about detoxification. Garlic water can help flush out toxins from your body. How, you ask? Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has potent medicinal properties. Allicin promotes liver detoxification, helping your body get rid of unwanted substances. It's like giving your body a mini cleanse every day. Impressed yet? Hang on, we're just halfway through. You would be surprised to know how garlic water can contribute to your mental health. That's right, benefit number 7 is all about the mind. Garlic water is rich in antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress. This stress is often linked to mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. Regular intake of garlic water could be a simple yet effective way to boost your mood and overall mental well-being. Moving on to benefit number 8, let's talk about respiratory health. Garlic is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know that it can also aid in respiratory health? Drinking garlic water can help alleviate symptoms of common respiratory issues such as asthma and bronchitis. It can soothe sore throats, reduce coughs, and even help with congestion. So if you're struggling with a pesky cold or chronic respiratory issues, a cup of garlic water might just be what you need. Finally, at number 9, garlic water promotes bone health. Garlic contains nutrients like manganese, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, which are essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Regular consumption of garlic water could help prevent bone loss and maintain overall bone health. This could be particularly beneficial for postmenopausal women who are at a higher risk for osteoporosis. And guess what? There are still more benefits to discover. Last but not least, let's explore how garlic water can improve your overall well-being. Our 10th benefit shines a spotlight on your eyes. Garlic water is rich in nutrients like vitamin C and selenium that are known to promote healthy eyes. Regular consumption of this simple concoction can help combat age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 of the leading causes of vision loss as we age. Moving on to our penultimate benefit, we delve into the realm of energy enhancement. Garlic has been traditionally used as a performance enhancer for laborers and athletes due to its ability to combat fatigue and boost energy levels. Sipping on garlic water daily can help to invigorate your system, keeping you alert and energetic throughout the day. Finally, we arrive at the 12th benefit, reducing inflammation. Garlic possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat chronic inflammation, a root cause of many health conditions. From reducing joint pain and arthritis to alleviating symptoms of autoimmune diseases, garlic water can provide a simple, natural solution to keep inflammation at bay. So there you have it, 12 compelling reasons to make garlic water a part of your daily routine. Each benefit not only improves a specific aspect of your health, but also contributes to your overall well-being, making garlic water a worthy addition to your daily regimen. In conclusion, the humble garlic clove has more to offer than just flavor. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health, its benefits are impressive and wide-ranging. Regularly drinking garlic water is a simple yet effective way to harness these benefits. It's about making conscious choices for your health. So why not consider incorporating this potent potion into your daily routine? After all, it's a small step with potential for significant impact. Remember, the path to better health could be as simple as a glass of garlic water a day.